How to do product research for Shopify dropshipping. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's video I'm going to be telling you how you can do product research for Shopify dropshipping. So let's get into it. So as you can see, I'm over here on shopify.com and I'm going to be showing you how you can go ahead and get started with Shopify dropshipping. So there are a couple of ways to do this. Number one, you have to make sure that the product is useful. It has to solve some sort of problem, and you also have to make sure that it's relatively cheap. So it's useful, it's effective, and it's cheap. And in this video, I'll show you a couple of ways where you can find some of those products and you can promote them as well. So one of the cool ways to do this is if you come over here onto TikTok, right? And if I just simply come over here and click on the search button and I just simply search for like Amazon finds, right? Amazon finds a lot of cool products. A lot of people are using TikTok and Instagram and, websites like these to show you pretty useful products. So you can see right over here we have some videos. So for this one, you can see right here, it's a pretty simple product, nothing too crazy. It's a simple vacuum. You can see right here, it's handy, it's simple, it's going ahead and cleaning up different things. It can be used as a vacuum, it can use as a vacuum seal, cleaner, bunch of use cases for this product, and it's relatively cheap as well. And here you can see Amazon Dex Find, and here you've got a bunch of different products, a bunch of different people creating simple videos showcasing their uses. So you can relatively find these products pretty cheap, like this one. Like, it's such a cool way. You've got compartments where you can sort out different cups. You've got compartments for food, for drinks, whatever. And they're relatively cheap, and you can create a simple video like this. You don't even really need to edit a lot of them. All right, you just simply have to simply show how you can use the product, and you can pretty much sell them over here. And sometimes these videos over here, if I open them up, you can see if I come over here and click on their bio, you can find a Amazon shop link over here. So here we go. You can see right here, this is their shop link. If I open it up, we have a bio, we have all of their products right here. So these are all the videos that they are showcasing on their Instagram page, and these are all the products that they have. So you can see right here, they have different products. So they've got bestsellers for US, for Canada, and for UK as well. And you can do this exact same thing on Instagram as well. It's actually a bit more popular on Instagram. A lot of people are using them, and you can create bios like these and you can promote your product. So how do you do this? So for example, if I go on to Amazon, so here we go, I'm on Amazon, and you also need an Amazon seller account. Basically, it'll allow you to go ahead and get those affiliate tools that you would need to create an affiliate links to these types of products from Amazon, which you can then, post it on your Shopify store. So I'm going to go ahead and log in. I believe I already have an account. All right, so there's an issue with my account. I can't seem to log in, nor can I reset my password or anything. So I guess we'll have to skip that step. But you get like a bar over here, which will allow you to go ahead and get like affiliate links for each of the products with which you can go ahead and promote them. So for this one, I'm pretty sure they use some sort of link tree or an app like that to create this website, but you can go ahead and log in into your Shopify store and you can get started with that. So here on Shopify, right, I'm over here. When you come into the product section, you can upload those products via links. So you can either go with, let's say, manually, like clicking on add a product over here, and you can add the product links over here, product images, everything available over here. And then from that button, when you go into your store over here into the theme section, when you edit your store, here you can implement that theme within that button. So here you can see within this website, here you can implement that link right here. So you can see over here, you got all these different options. You can see these are the presets. You've got your title over here. You can put like a link over here as well, and you should be good to go. So that's one way to do this, but I think it would be a much better option like this one, where you create like a link tree option, where you can upload all of the videos as well as your products that you find, especially on Instagram as well. Let me show you on Instagram. Like here we put in hashtag Amazon finds, right? We search for that hashtag and we get all these different videos. So these are pretty cool products. These are very inexpensive products as well. So for example, let's take a look at, I think this is a bread slicer, right? So this is a pretty simple bread slicer. It's adjustable as well. You can use it to cut bread, as you can see right here. And here within their website in the bio, you can see this is their Amazon shop that they've linked right here into their bio, which you can create as well. And then here you can see all of these products that they are promoting, and then you can buy them as well. You can see they're pretty inexpensive as well, relatively speaking. So like these gloves, these are like handy dandy gloves. They have torches over here within the fingertips, so whenever someone's working in tight corners or tight spaces, your fingers can have their own flashlights. You can go ahead and check them out. So you can see they have pretty different types of products. So they've got you know, these wares, they've got different categories as well. Like this one is their best sellers, their top ones. This is for 2024 as well. So here you can see all of the products, so different ones. So you can see right here, if you click on this product, it'll open up right here, and you can see this is pretty simple, nothing too crazy. It's currently cannot be shipped over here, but here you can see we have these options right here. This is a bit expensive one, but like this one, maybe this one is a pretty simple one. This one is a simple container box with the lockpick over here, and it's not that expensive. Like this is like $40, and we can see like the whole box, and it's pretty cool as well. So you can do something like this, create a page on Instagram or on TikTok or on both, and just record yourself using those products like this one. Such a simple product, and people relatively will buy these types of products as well, just by simply going ahead and, you know, going into your profile, clicking on the bio, and there you go. It's as simple as that. So you could go with something like this, and then you can also link those products and create your own shop over here on Shopify. You can create a shop with Amazon, or you can create like a link tree option like this one. So all three options will work. So there you go. That's how you can do product research for Shopify dropshipping. So thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and until next time, take care and goodbye.